Hello, my name is Price Knowles and I'm a 10-year 4-H'er in Hamilton County.
And I'm Jenna Peterson and I'm a 9-year 4-H'er in Hamilton County as well. And I am the president of the Husky 4-H'ers 4-H Club.
This year, our Husky 4-H'ers will not be making grilled cheese at the fair, but we are going to show you how you can easily make it at home. And while making it at home, you can watch
the live streams that they're doing live streams on all the shows and all that sort of thing. So if you're watching some of the shows, you can make yourself a grilled cheese and it's like you're just at the fair.
Yep, and the first thing that you want to do when you make grilled cheese, you got to be clean. So we have our gloves on, the table's been wiped down, cleaned, and our griddle's been cleaned, and everything is germ-free. The second thing we do is, well, first you want to talk about our bread.
Yes, so we have our rye bread and we have our white bread, and you can use whatever bread you want. It doesn't matter. Anything really works for grilled cheese as long as the cheese you can talk about.
Yep, and then so we have Swiss, American, and sharp cheddar, and I forget that.
Pepper jack.
Pepper jack. So yeah, so you can make combinations, you can do really anything. And if your bread's a little thicker, you can add more cheese or vice versa, it doesn't matter. So yeah, so let's dive in.
We have one cooking already, so it'll be done by the end of the video. So we're gonna use this bread for the video. And so we start off, we have some melted butter here. You melt it all the way through, so then you can apply it to the bread with a little brush. And this just allows it to get a more toasted, evenly cooked taste, and it helps it to not burn while it's on the griddle.
Yep. And who doesn't like butter?
I know. So we're gonna go ahead and put this one on, and if you want to, we're gonna use the
Swiss.
We're gonna use the Swiss cheese for that. If you want to open up, and we do two slices. So then it gives you a more cheesy flavor.
Yep.
I think those are already open, so we're good there. So I have this one now buttered too, and we have our cheese on. And we'll put it, so this is on the outside, all the cheese is on the outside. And then this one's all the butter is on the outside, my bad. And for the griddle, we have it at about 300. You can do it higher or lower. The lower cooks it more slow, but it does give it a more golden look like this one has.
So we've got this one, it's got a pretty golden color to it. Some people want it more done. Me particularly, I like it a little more done, but usually during the fair we cook it about like that. So, yep, so this one's the American with cheese American on white bread, and then that's the rye with Swiss.
Yes.
So, takes probably about 7 minutes to cook, vice versa. It really depends how hot you have it, and if we got a long line, we probably cook them a little faster, but probably around the 5-minute range. And yeah, that is how you
It's usually cooked more than 2 on a griddle at once.
Yes. We will have many on a griddle, and we have probably about 4 or 5 griddles running.
And yes, you can make it on the stove. You don't have to have a griddle. Anything, it's really simple. Grilled cheese is a common thing to make.
Yeah, if you want to make some tomato soup with it, go right ahead. But yeah, that's how you make grilled cheese.
Bye. Thank you.
Bye.